Dr. Harmeet Paul Singh. I am a laparoscopic and bariatric surgeon. At present, I am running Modern Hospital, which I started 20 years back in Moradon area of Jalandhar. I started this organization in 1996. Prior to that, I was at Sir Gangaram Hospital, where I took my advanced surgical and laparoscopic training. After working there, I wanted to do something to my area where I was born and brought up and my study. So I came back here and started this hospital so that I could serve my people. Main aim of this hospital is to provide quality health care at affordable cost. Our motto is that even if the patient doesn't have money, we do treatment for that patient. There are some patients we do totally free and some patients we do at very, very minimal cost. I'm a laparoscopic surgeon and bariatric surgeon. I'm doing all sorts of advanced laparoscopic work out here in the hospital, like lap cholecystectomy, lap CBD exploration, lap hernias, lap hysterectomy, all sort of gynae work, lap ovarian cyst, all sort of cancer work, intestine work, emergency like duodenal perforation. All work is being done by laparoscopic approach. Apart from things in the pediatric department, we are doing all sort of metabolic and bariatric surgery where we help the patient to lose weight and increase his or her lifespan. Department of Gastroenterology and Hepatology is being run by Dr. Balwinder Singh, DM Gastroenterology. He does all sorts of upper GI endoscopy, ERCPs, colonoscopies, and all therapeutic work. Department of Dialysis and Nephrology is being run by Dr. Rajiv Patia and Dr. Ajay Marwaha. All sorts of advanced nephrology work is being done out here. Dr. Sanjeev Sial, he is non-invasive cardiologist where he does all sorts of non-invasive cardiology work. Dr. Neeru Bala, she is running the gynae and obstetrician department now. We do all sorts of laparoscopic work. Apart from the new advancement is the single incision surgery. Previously for laparoscopic work, the incision will be 4 to 5, 6 incisions also. In here we do a single incision through the umbilicus. We do all instruments in that. The advantage for this patient is that the pain element post-operative is very less. Apart from the very good cosmetic results, after some time it doesn't appear that patient has got surgery done. No scar on the abdomen. Very good surgery for especially for young girls. under one roof, all the facilities for the patient should be there. So with my 3 partners, we are building a hospital. It's a 300-bed hospital where all facilities which are available out in India will be available in this hospital, like transplants, liver transplants, robotic surgery, and all other advanced, including cancer surgery, including cancer radiotherapy. Everything, all facilities will be available out here. I want the same motto will be there. In spite of the big hospital, all patients, poor patients, patients who don't afford, we will do treatment there. This was my aim for this area. I want to serve this area.